All right, guys, so you've seen the thumbnail and the title. We're going to be talking about some of the most anticipated Jordan releases of the month of February. We already missed a couple of drops, which we're going to talk about later in the video. But right now, if seeing this off the top of your mind that you could think of that you really want to grab this month in February, drop it down below in the comment section. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into yet another video, man. Like I said, almost every video, it's always greatly appreciated when you guys tap in. Pull up to the videos, come drop some likes, come drop some comments, get that interaction going. That really helps the channel grow. You guys already know we're on that grind. We're on a mission to hit that 100K this year, and I know we can do it with you guys' support, man. And make sure y'all go tap in to the clothing brand Shop NOIR. I would never quit on my dream. Hoodies are available right now, along with some beanies and a bomber jacket. I'm sure you got some pictures and a video of me rocking a bomber. And if you guys want to tap in to my IG Shop NOIR, you guys can see me rocking every single product over on my IG, man. And it's a discount code that you can tap into, NOIR10, save you 10% off your entire order when you shop with the clothing brand. So thank you guys so much in advance, and thanks to everybody that's been, you know, supporting the brand already. Leave a huge like on today's video, subscribe to the channel right now if you're new, and make sure you slap that notification bell. Got a couple unboxings for you guys lined up, and I do not want you guys to miss out. All right, guys, like I said in the intro, we missed a couple of drops as far as talking about the most anticipated sneakers. One of my most anticipated this month was the Air Jordan 2 Lucky Greens, which I did end up hitting on the Nike sneakers app, so it should be here sometime shortly. Lately, Nike's shipping been very slow, but I did purchase them. I was a little bit late onto the drop, and I was still able to secure them. $175 retail price, which is not bad. I wish all the Jordan sneakers was retailing for $180 or lower, but now we hitting that $210 mark price point for these J's, which is ridiculous. So the Air Jordan 2 Lucky Greens was one of my anticipated cops for this month. I ended up copping. Let me know down below in the comment section if you secured a pair as well. And the same day as the Air Jordan 2 Lucky Greens, we got two pair of Union drops that were called the Union AJKO1 lows. It was a white pair and it had a navy pair. Pretty much the white one had the white or silverish Nike swoosh, and the navy pair had that navy Nike swoosh. Kind of still super similar. I wasn't too crazy over them. I did try to enter on them, and if you guys seen my tweet on Twitter, I said, yo, this is ridiculous. I couldn't even enter for either one of the pairs. I don't know if maybe people were super excited for them. The hype got to them. They seen that Union name with the AJKO, which nobody likes AJKOs, but now they do, of course, because Union collab with them to make a colorway. Both of them did retail for $150. Of course, you got to pay the taxes and fees and all that good stuff, or not fees, you got to pay for the shipping. So if you guys cop, let me know down below in the comment section. That's two of the sneakers that I missed out on for the first couple of drops of the month of February. And then we cannot forget about the Air Jordan 5 Aquas. Me myself, I was not feeling them at all. I actually been trying to sell all of my Jordan 5 colorways except for my OG colorways. Some certain colorways that I really did like growing up, like the green beans. Definitely got to stay in the collection because I'm pulling them out eventually. But the Aquas was something I was not feeling at all, especially that retail tag, $200. $200 for these. No bueno, I couldn't do it. But I know there's a couple people out there that do like the colorways. So you guys let me know down below in the comment section if you were one of the people that secure a pair of these Air Jordan 5 Aquas. All right, guys, next we have a pair of Zooms. Now these are the Air Jordan 1 Zoom Comfort 2 Valentine's Day. So it's a different version of the Zoom model that they did with the Jordan 1s. I actually do like the colorway because they do look super similar to a metallic Air Jordan 1. So I don't need them. You know what I'm saying? I already have the metallic red joints. And I don't need these, but I know there's a lot of people that don't have the metallic red Air Jordan 1s that will be going after this one. They only retail for $150, which is not bad at all, given the fact that everything else is retailing for $200 plus. These are scheduled to release February the 9th. Just right before that Valentine's Day. So let me know down below in the comment section how you rocking out with them. You feeling them? You grabbing them? Let me know all that down below in the comment section, man. All right, another shoe that we already reviewed on the channel, the Air Jordan 4 Seafoams. Now I want you guys to go tap into the video. I dropped a full kind of like semi review. I will be doing a review and on feet coming very soon, close to the release date. The Air Jordan 4 Seafoams is a women's exclusive, which kind of does suck for people that can't fit into that woman's size. And me myself, I can tend to have women is a size 9 in men, and these are releasing February the 9th as well for retail tag of $200. I don't mind spending $200 on these. I already was like a million pairs of these and the Air Jordan 4 Crabs, so I think you guys should be good as far as copping a pair if you can't fit in that woman sizing. And like I said, we do have the Air Jordan 4 crafts coming out the next day, or next couple days. So February 11th, Air Jordan 4 craft, aka the Photon Dust, retail for $210. So the Seafoam's $200, the crafts are $210. I don't know what the extra $10 is for. It's a nice colorway. I ain't gonna knock it, you know what I'm saying? It's definitely one of the shoes I do want to grab this month. February 11th, retail for $210. I want to get you guys' reaction. Let me know how you feeling about these. Are you grabbing them? Are you passing? Because I know a lot of people not gonna pick, you know, both of the sneakers up. So if you had to pick one, would it be the Seafoams or the Air Jordan 4 crafts? And then next we got some heaters, man. We got the Air Jordan 1 High 85 black and white, aka the Pandas. These joints released February the 15th, and they retail for $200. A pair of Jordan 1s really retailing for $200. You know something going on. You know Jordan brand going down the wrong lane. Like, come on now, $200 for a pair of 1s is OD. You're not getting anything crazy with the box or anything like that. It's just a high 85. You know what I'm saying? I don't know who said they want to make the price that high, but they definitely are doing it with the Air Jordan 1 High 85 black and white. So you guys let me know. Releasing February the 15th. Retail tag of $200. Yikes. All right, guys, next we have another women's exclusive, the Air Jordan 1 High OG women's reverse laneys. Real quick story. Growing up, I was able to grab a pair of Air Jordan 5 laneys, ended up selling them a little bit later because I got a size 10. Like, I did not know anything about the size and the Jordans or anything like that. It's actually one of the first pair of Air Jordan 5s I ever bought for myself, and I got a size 10. I don't know what I was thinking, and I did wear them like a couple times. Them things was some boats. Like, I was talking about boats on my feet. End up selling them to my boy. I hope he is enjoying them now, but that was a little minute ago. I think they was dropped back in 2013, and I knew right when I put them on feet, them things was too huge. But Air Jordan 1 ladies, releasing February the 17th, retail tag of $180, which is a little bit more reasonable, not $200 like the high 85s. But these joints, like I said, are nice. Me myself, I might not grab them just because it is a little too much for me. But if I can get it for a steal, if I can get it for retail, I probably will cop them and add them to the collection. You guys let me know if you're going to be grabbing these right now down below in the comment section. Right, and you knew it was coming. You guys knew it was coming. The Air Jordan 13 playoffs. We already have an early look of those as well. Reviewing on feet coming very, very soon for y'all. Trust and believe that. Maybe within the next couple of days. We have the playoff 13s dropping February 18th. Probably the #1 sneaker for a lot of people this month. Like, if anything else they don't grab, they have to grab the 13 playoffs. I'm pretty sure that's that sneaker. You know what I'm saying? So you guys be ready. I know it's gonna be a lot of pairs. It was 192,000 pairs that released on the shock drop. A lot of people saying that was the release, but we still have a solid release date of February the 18th. So hopefully, you know what I'm saying, you get lucky. But that is a lot of pairs to drop on the shock drop. Seems like something similar they did with the Air Jordan 6 UNC. So I hope everybody gets another fair chance at copping them joints. I took an L on the shock drop. I did buy them a little bit early. So like I said, stay tuned for reviewing on feet and let me know how you feeling about Air Jordan 13 playoffs releasing February 18th, retailing for $210. All right, guys, next we have another Air Jordan 1. These are the Air Jordan 1 High OG white cements, and me myself, that's an instant pass. Like, I talked about this shoe last year on one of my shorts that I did for YouTube, and I was not feeling them that much, but I know colorways like this is what's going to grab some hype, going to grab some attention because it's super different and it has that white cement name on it. These will be releasing February the 25th, later on this month, and retailing for $180. Me, like I said, I'm gonna pass. I'm gonna keep it that same energy. They might be shown on the channel, but they definitely not going on feet, man. And then last but not least, we have another pair of Air Jordan 6s. The Air Jordan 6 Cool Grays, releasing February the 25th as well. Retailing for $200. Not a bad colorway at all. Like I'm saying, like, they not terrible, they not trash. It's a nice colorway. But me, I do not like 6s that much. Like, I know my favorite pair of shoes is the Carmines, but when they start doing all types of, you know, colorways like Cool Grays, I'm trying to think CNYs, like, I really don't feel them. I'm not gonna wear them. It might be a cool colorway, but not something I'm gonna wear and add to the sneaker rotation. But you guys let me know if you're gonna be grabbing them. February 25th, retailing for $200. Cool Gray Jordan 6, one of the last Jordans dropping for the month of February. You guys let me know how you're rocking out with it. I appreciate everybody for tuning into today's video. Like I said, down below in the comment section, drop all your thoughts, opinions about this month's releases as far as Jordan brand. It's no more Yeezys, so we don't talk about Yeezy on the channel no more. So, you know, we're gonna be a little bit more Jordan brand driven. So you guys let me know how you feeling about all the releases slated for the month of February right now down below in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other content we drop, and make sure you go check out the clothing brand. Save 10% off any of your order with the code NOIR10. I'm gonna link it down below so you guys go tap in, support the brand. That'd be greatly appreciated, man. Leave a huge like before you slide out today's video. You guys know we're on that grind on 100K, and that will help us put us back in that algorithm. So like I said, man, spare no likes. Let's get this up to 400 likes right now. I know we can do it, but you guys support. Again, I appreciate all the support, man. Thanks for tapping in. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next unboxing. I can't wait to show y'all what we got, man. Peace.